royalties. So I'm not doing my intros right now because I'm gonna do it before we start recording. So I am out here on my back patio, trying to get some back patio action in. But today's video, we are going to do a no talking challenge mukbang. I think that's what it's called. We're not going to talk the whole time. Whoever breaks the silence loses. And as far as what we're going to be eating pizza. Mine's going to be homemade. I like make a homemade pizza. He got some frozen pizza. So, and I think it's whoever finished first. So whoever get full first. So it's no talking. So we got two challenges going on. No talking and whoever finished first. But pizza is my favorite food. So I think I'm gonna win this one. I'm going to take this one out. But yeah, y'all, I'm blue today. Okay, don't follow me. But we're just chilling right now. I'm about to get ready to make my pizza. So, because I think mine's going to take... No, I'm about to put his on first. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm saying this. But yeah, so I'm about to make our pizzas. And then we'll be back. So, I see y'all. I hope y'all doing good today. What else I have to tell y'all? I think that's it. I'm rambling because we can't talk. So, I'm trying to get everything out right now. That was why he's already in the room. He's in the room. What is he doing? He just got the shower, I think. Yeah. I think that's what he's doing. But I don't know. But yeah, so I just came back here to, do the little, let y'all know what's going on because we're not going to be able to talk. And I don't have nothing to say right now because, I don't know. Watch him have so much to say when we doing the video. I'm trying to see what I had to say. It was something I wanted to tell y'all. It really was, but I can't remember right now. But I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so what I forgot to tell y'all is that I have just pepperoni, well, turkey pepperoni. I don't eat pork. I got turkey pepperoni and just cheese pizza. He got a what is it, a 4-meat trio pizza, but I added jalapenos to it and a little bit more cheese because it was bald head. So yeah, that's what we eating. So okay, bye.
get full first and who eat the most?
You just said both things I said. Didn't you get full first?
I ate the most.
Who get full first and who eats the most? But you got full. Y'all, they no talking shit crazy.
I'm done.
You done?
I'm in my sleep. I'm in my bed clothes too.
So am I. You pajamas. You pajamas.
You ain't have to show all that leg.
That's my shorts under there. Let me know this is a shirt. This looks like I got a dress on.
Just showing all that leg.
Whatever. I'm not trying to show no leg.
Don't do that.
I was putting a damn bra.
I guess I'll take one more. But hey, this pizza was good. I like it better when she make it.
You should have told me made it.
We ain't had all the ingredients.
Man, I said I was gonna get all the ingredients. You just didn't want me to do extra shit. I said I was gonna do that.
It was good though. I like my ends crunchy as fuck.
Yeah, this is so good.
I got full fed. I was drinking before this too, so I think it's the beer.
What, y'all? That was it.
I give y'all one more bite though. And them jalapenos and that hot sauce that shit gonna hit every time.
You put a lot on there. You did too much.
I got tons.
Alright, but like I was saying, y'all, you're gonna right. Wow.
What's a wrap?
That's a wrap. I'm so good. I knew you was gonna eat more than me because I eat slow. Within time frame.
I'm hungry.
I eat slow. I don't know why I thought I accepted, but yeah, y'all, he got full first. I'm not full yet.
I was working all day.
I probably
I'm hungry as hell.
Eat some more of them, and that's it. Y'all, that's it for the challenge. Thank y'all for stopping by. Make sure y'all continue to like, comment, subscribe. And that's it, y'all. You ready?
Yep.
Peace.